Artificial intelligence. It's everywhere. From your social media feed to your favorite shopping app, AI is shaping the world. But here's the thing, most people completely misunderstand it. Today we're breaking down what everyone gets wrong about AI and why it matters. AI will take all our jobs. The rise of the machines. AI is sentient. Relax. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to your job. Think of it like this. AI is a tool, not a competitor. It's more like a coworker who handles repetitive, time-consuming tasks, so can focus on the creative, strategic stuff. For example, AI might help an accountant process large amounts of data, but it's not replacing the human judgment needed to make complex financial decisions. It's not coming for your job, it's coming for your job, freeing you up for things that require, an actual brain. We've been through technological revolutions before. The invention of the wheel, the printing press, the steam engine, each one fundamentally changed the way we live and work. AI is no different. It's just the next chapter in this grand story of human ingenuity. So instead of fearing AI, we should be asking ourselves, how can we use this powerful tool to solve the world's biggest problems? How can we leverage AI to cure diseases, combat climate change, and explore the cosmos? The possibilities are literally endless. But we can't get there if we're stuck in a Terminator-fueled panic. Myth number 2, AI is sentient. Spoiler alert, it's not even close. Look, I get it, we humans, we're hardwired to see patterns and assign meaning where there is none. We look at a complex algorithm that can beat us at chess and we think, whoa, it's alive. But it's not, it's just really good math. Sentience implies consciousness, self-awareness, emotions, things that AI, as sophisticated as it may seem, simply doesn't possess. It can mimic human conversation, even write poetry or compose music. But it's not doing it from a place of understanding or feeling. It's just following instructions, albeit very complex ones. Take for instance those cute robot dogs you've seen online. They seem so lifelike, right? But they're not feeling joy when you pet them. That's just clever programming designed to elicit a specific response from you. So, while we marvel at AI's capabilities, let's not get carried away. Let's not confuse complexity with consciousness. Those are two very different things. Chapter 3. AI Savior or Destroyer? Myth number 3. AI will either save or destroy humanity. It's not that simple. Hollywood loves a good AI apocalypse, doesn't it? But the reality is far more nuanced. The future of AI isn't predetermined. It's something we're actively shaping with every line of code we write, every decision we make. AI has the potential to do immense good, from revolutionizing healthcare and education to tackling global challenges like climate change and poverty. But like any powerful tool, it also has the potential for misuse. Think about it. AI algorithms already influence everything from the news we see to the products we buy. They can be used to manipulate our emotions, exploit our biases, and even erode our privacy. And that's not even getting into the potential military applications. The point is, AI won't save or destroy us on its own. We will determine its fate. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically, responsibly, and for the betterment of humanity. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Here's what I want you to take away from this. AI isn't magic, and it's not a monster, it's a reflection of us. So instead of fearing it, let's focus on how we can shape it into something that makes the world better. That's the real power of AI. What do you think about AI? Let's talk in the comments, subscribe and share.